Hi there, it's time for an update here in the Mustang Dan. I haven't done anything major last year. Well, a little bit I done, mostly due to lots of work and also motivation. This hobby comes and goes, as you know. Some years you do a lot and some year you do nothing. Well, this year I've done smaller thing and one major update. I think I can show you here now. Well, the engine bay, it looks the same. To recap, this is a 351 Windsor with a stroker kit from Eagle, and I don't actually remember, it's 8 years ago. So now it's 410 cubic inch, 700 horsepower. No, sorry, 500 horsepower, 700 Newton meters. That's the correct words. And it's an Edelbrock Proof Flow electronic fuel injection. That's a great piece of equipment there. It's never failed me, works every day. I can start up in minus 10 degrees and it's just going like any car will do. What else? I have upgraded brake system. It's a Cobra disc brake 13-inch upgrade with Hydro Boost. Hydro Boost, for those who don't know, it's fluid. It's not vacuum advanced. It's not vacuum boosted. It's oil from the servo unit that boosted up. Sorry for my English is not that great. I'm Swedish also, so now you know that. Anyway, this year I upgraded to this radiator, aluminum radiator from Cold Case, well, should I recommend it? Well, if you prepare to rebuild some brackets and stuff, it's fine, but it's not stock replacement. Well, it looks nice, but it doesn't fit. I had to make new holders here, both upper and lower. Actually, this is 3D printed. So I have a 3D printer where I do lots of 3D printer stuff for this car. 3D printer is a god sent from heaven. How do you expel? So this is nylon carbon fiber. So it's a shame that I couldn't use the sheet metal stuff, but well, it's what I got. So this is short what I've done. This radiator is a good capacity, but didn't fit it that great. The major thing I did was well, it's not really finished here, but I did it steering column. So now I finally have I can change the tilt column. Well, should I review that also? Yeah, not that great, but it's okay. I had to grind somewhere here and there, and to fit where I wanted. The quality feels okay, but it lacks some grommets and well, it's okay, but the stock is much better, but lacks the tilt in this car anyway. Well, the car is a manual. It was automatic before, but now it's manual. I got a TKO 600, and well, I'm European, and I will say it's a piece of trash. Yes, hard to change gears. It's clunky. It's a bad transmission. but it feels great when having it in fifth gear, and it revs only 1500 in 80 miles per hour. So, well, it works, but I will change that sometime. That was a fun thing. Carpets, custom design from just order on the web for very cheap. So that column connects to a Saab 9.3 steering rack that I built several years ago. So it's actually a Saab steering rack below here, and it works great. So the car has very good handling, and it goes like a freight train, both in corners and straight ahead. What else? I have a Global West suspension front, so very good caster angle and steers great. In rear I have a composite, I don't remember the name, Ridetech it was the name, composite steel leaf springs and QA1 shocks all the way around. You can see them here. These were great. You get a much better comfort, and you can set them in the harshness you like, and well, I love it. Many have maybe seen this air cleaner. Well, it's a stock air cleaner, and I like it. I don't care if I lose some horsepower, it just looks good. Also, the color of the engine should be black, not bling bling bling. Sorry for the aluminum one here, but I didn't care to paint that. Here you can also see some Global West shock tower reinforcement. Also great fitment and easy to remove when doing service, or I have to remove them because just to change spark plugs. So it was great. About the air cleaner, I have a long time work. Also 3D printer, not ready yet. I want dual snorkel with fresh air to it. So I found, sorry for the mess here. This is actually from a police car. This is a stock Ford Mustang police car snorkel system. So it has one here. Here's so the angle was wrong, so I have 3D printed a new snorkel attachment here. So this is, as I said, a god, very nice to have 3D printer. So this is my project. I don't know why I'm not ready yet. I have this for years, but you know, there's always things that comes between. You can see the quality of the 3D printer. This is nylon carbon fiber. It looks as something produced in a factory, so it's a great material to work with. Hard as hell. So what else can I say to recap my years here with my Mustang? Fuel injection, I rebuilt the complete electrical system with an old junction box, and relocate the electronics to the inside. I don't want a lot of relays and MSD boxes in the engine bay. A Swedish oil cooler, these are the best, Setrab. You can see, I've seen them in NASCAR engines and in So that's the best you can have. There you got the name, Setrab. It's actually connected to my power steering unit because it generates a lot of heat due to it should support both the rack and pinion and the hydro boost. So I figure I had to cool it down a little bit. Not much, but it feels good. So this is not a Boss car, as you see, Boss 410. Actually wrong with a air scoop, but I don't care. I like what Ford did with the black hood and the stripes. So, and of course the aggressive front, the shark appearance is great with black headlight buckets. So I will work on with this car when I feel for like it, but this was just a small recap of what this is about. So it's my love, and had it for over 30 years. So yeah, I think it will keep it a long while. See ya.